Hi, my guest now is Martin Gisbert, Field Application Engineer at IAR Systems. Welcome.
Thank you.
So as a starter, perhaps you can give us an overview about the product you're offering.
The core product of IAR Systems is the IAR Embedded Workbench. This is a complete toolchain for embedded software development that is being used by more than 50,000 developers worldwide. The Embedded Workbench for ARM supports all current ARM cores and around 2,500 ARM-based microprocessors from more than 30 vendors. In addition to this toolchain, we also have our own probes for debugging and tracing, the IAD and the JTAG trace.
I see. More and more products have to fulfill safety and other requirements. How do you help your customers to achieve that?
If you are developing a safety-critical product, for example in the automotive industry, and have to certify it, for example according to the ISO 26262 standard, then you might have to verify your complete development, including use tools like a C compiler. This can be a very expensive and time-consuming task, so in order to save our customers a lot of time and money, we are now offering a functional safety edition of the Embedded Workbench for ARM. This was certified by the German TÜV and comes with a number of extra support services like frozen version support, prioritized technical support, automatic bug reporting, and a number of additional safety-related documents like a certificate from TÜV and a safety guide.
Okay, and also another important part is energy efficiency and things like that. So how do you help engineers develop energy-efficient devices?
It's a typical perception that the power consumption, power efficiency is only determined by the hardware design or the choice of hardware components. But there's really a lot you can do in software as well to save power, or in other words, to use your hardware power efficiently. This is the reason why IAR Systems developed Power Debugging a few years ago already. Power debugging means that you can sample, measure the power consumption on your hardware, visualize it in various ways in the Embedded Workbench debugger, and correlate it not only with time but also with the executed code. So you're really getting a power profile of your application. And the latest product for power debugging is the iScope. This is really a mini oscilloscope, and it allows you to measure the current wherever you want on your board, and also several channels of voltage, and again correlate this data with time and executed code.
Okay, and also the Embedded Workbench is a very, very powerful tool. But being powerful, it might also be a little complex. So how can you help people to get perfect in using it and good in using it and knowing what it can do? Do you offer trainings?
We had a lot of requests for training and education in the past. So earlier this year, we launched the IAR Academy. And this is a series of very praxis, hands-on oriented one-day seminars on various levels. So today we are offering Getting Started, Efficient Programming, Advanced Debugging, and those seminars are currently run in Sweden and in Germany, here in Munich, but also Düsseldorf later this year. And because those seminars are so successful, we are also planning to extend this program both geographically but also in terms of topics. All the current dates and more information can be found at iar.com/academy.
Okay, thank you very much.
Welcome.